Are you tired of complicated workout routines with dozens of exercises, but still not seeing results? What if I told you that you only need 5 powerful exercises to train your entire body effectively? In today's video, I'm going to break down the only 5 exercises you need for every major muscle group. Simple, efficient, and proven to build strength, muscle, and performance. Whether you're a beginner or experienced lifter, this routine will save you time and maximize results. Let's get started. 1. Squats, the king of lower body. If you could only pick one exercise for your lower body, squats would be it. They target quads, glutes, hamstrings, core. Squats are a compound movement, meaning they engage multiple muscles at once, helping you build strength and burn more calories. Tip: keep your chest up, back straight, and go as low as your mobility allows. Next up, deadlifts, one of the most effective full-body exercises. They primarily work hamstrings, glutes, lower back, traps. Deadlifts are amazing for building raw strength and improving posture. Tip: focus on proper form. Keep the bar close to your body and avoid rounding your back. For your upper body, the bench press is essential. It targets chest, shoulders, triceps. It's one of the best exercises for developing pushing strength and muscle mass. Tip: control the weight, don't bounce the bar, and keep your feet planted firmly. Want a strong, wide back? Pull-ups are your go-to. They hit lats, biceps, upper back. If you can't do a pull-up yet, start with assisted versions or resistance bands. Tip: focus on full range of motion, stretch at the bottom, squeeze at the top. Last but not least, the overhead press. This movement targets shoulders, triceps, core. It builds upper body strength and stability like no other. Tip: keep your core tight and avoid leaning back excessively. And there you have it, the only 5 exercises you need to train every major muscle group effectively. To recap: squats, deadlifts, bench press, pull-ups, overhead press. Stick to these, focus on good form, and progressively increase the weight, and you'll see serious results. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fitness content. Let me know in the comments which of these exercises is your favorite. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.